Hi students, today we are going to start on PowerPoint. So in Google Classroom, you're going to click where it says Lab 1 Drive in green. We're going to click the three dots, open a new window, and we are going to download the file. So many of you may have used PowerPoint before, so this may be kind of like a review for you. So you might be familiar with all these steps already. All right, so we're going to click Enable Editing. We're just going to do some basic things like changing the font, changing slide order, inserting pictures, moving and resizing pictures, and things like that. So I want you to go to slide 1. On slide 1, we are going to change the subtitle font color. So I want you to select where it says Driving Smart, and we're going to find the color dark green, accent to darker 50%. Remember, when you place your mouse over a color, it should give you a caption. So here's dark green, accent to darker 50%. We're also going to increase our font size to 60. Next, we're going to go to slide 2. On slide 2, we're going to create a bulleted list. So on this side, you'll notice that there are what we call placeholders. So these rectangles are placeholders. We can add in tables, charts, pictures, videos, etc. We are going to add in a bulleted list. So we're going to click to add to our list over here on the right, and we're going to type in reduce fuel consumption. If we want to create another bullet, we can push the enter key, and we're going to do reduce air pollution. Next, we're going to insert a picture in the other placeholder. So we can either do that by clicking on the online pictures icon, or we can go to the select the placeholder and then go to insert, and we can do online pictures. And we're going to search for green leaves. All right, so I'm just going to pick that first picture and click insert. And then our picture will appear. Some of the things you'll notice for newer versions of Word and Excel and PowerPoint is that it gives a caption. Now, if you would like to, you can just delete that there. Next, we're going to go to slide 3. On slide 3, we're going to resize the image, and also we need to move it over a little bit. So to move an image, we can just click on that image and drag it over. And to resize it, notice that there are picture tools. We can click on that Format tab, and we can simply change the height by clicking in here. And we are going to resize it to 4.5 inches. So we can type in 4.5 and then push enter, and then we can move it as necessary. All right, so with slide 3 selected, we are going to add in a new slide. So what do you think we would do if we wanted to add in a new slide? Yep, it's right there on the Home tab. We are going to find where it says New Slide. You can see that you can choose the layout from this button as well. So we're going to choose the section header option, and we're going to type in Eco Driving Tips for the title, and then we're going to click in the subtitle area. We're going to type in for Driving Smart. So this presentation is all about being eco-friendly. Next, we're going to go to slide 5. On slide 5, we are going to apply italic font style to the word when possible. So it tells us how to be safe, and it says switch to a higher gear when possible. So we're going to select the words when possible. If you want to emphasize words, you can simply italicize it. So we're going to click on the I for italicizing. You see how it slants our words. Next, we're going to go to slide 6. On slide 6, we're going to create another bulleted list. So we're going to start out by typing the bulleted list. Avoid quick starts and stops. They want to pay attention to traffic flows. Let's say that we want to add different levels to our bulleted list or do a multi-level list. We can push the enter key, and then you can either push the tab key on your keyboard, or you can push the increase list level button, and it'll create a level list so that you know that that topic relates to the one that's listed right above it. So you can do that, avoid quick starts and stops by, you can ease into accelerations,